Hello, good morning to all our amazing clients and prospects. It's a new week, and a new week comes with a new investment opportunity. So you should make smart investment this week. We have a lot of properties spread around Lagos, and even outside Lagos, we have properties in Abuja as well. We have properties in Ibadan. So in Lagos here, we have properties. In Ekpe, we have properties that has close proximity with the Lekki New International Airport. We have properties close to the Dangote refinery. We have properties in the mainland. We have properties in Lekki. We have properties that serve as land banking investment purpose. If you don't want to invest in properties, you can invest in real estate buyback. Real estate buyback scheme allows you to invest as low as 500,000 naira and above for a period of 6, 10 or 12 months, and then you get high return on your investment after the stipulated period of time. Dear investors, as the best real estate consultant in this city, we are here to help you and guide you every step of the way. Our job is to help you get the right property in the best locations and with the best price. So stay glued to this page, as we will be posting videos and pictures of our different properties and investment opportunities. And all you have to do is pick the one that suits your interests. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.